Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the this person is no longer on WhatsApp problem easily. If you are trying to send messages to the someone and this message appears on your screen, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you all possible solutions step by step. So make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, this problem usually happens because of the person deleted their WhatsApp account, changed their number, or there is a temporary WhatsApp server issue. Sometimes it can also happen due to an outdated app version or syncing problems in your phone. Now let's start with the fixes. So, step 1, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data once. After that, open WhatsApp again and check if the problem is solved. After this, step 2, refresh WhatsApp content. Open your contacts app and make sure the number is saved correctly with the country code. After that, open WhatsApp, tap on the new chat icon, then tap the three dots and select refresh. This will sync all the contacts again. Now, step 3, update the WhatsApp app. For this, open the Play Store. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search icon. Now, search for WhatsApp and update it if not. After this, go back to the home page. Now, long press on the WhatsApp, tap on eye icon. Now, click on storage and cache, tap on clear cache, and yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.